So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about or offer 4 tips on how to move through or get through a hard transition in your life. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, in this video, I want to talk about how to offer tips on how to move through a hard transition in your life. Now, challenges and hardships in our life is inevitable. I mean, we all go through things, and I think it's important to move through it in the most, just move through it. Just move through it, honestly. So I wanted to offer 4 tips on how you can move through a hardship or a challenging transition in your life. Whether it's divorce, whether it's moving, whether it's what are other transitions? A hard transition, okay, in your life. I think these 4 tips would definitely help you in moving through them. So tip number 1 is to cry it out. I think that a lot of times we are taught to suppress emotions, and I think it's important to move through, to move that emotion out of you or through you, however you want to look at it. I think that it's so important to feel the feelings that you're feeling. We don't, a lot of times, because of pride, whatever the case is, we don't want to feel these emotions, and it's important that you feel them and let them go. Cry it out. And I did a video on this about crying and how you're moving water through your body, and you're moving that memory of whatever it is that you're going through your body and out of your body. And that is so important. So I know that a lot of times we think of crying as a sign of weakness, but girlfriend, is not. It's helping you move that memory of whatever or whoever through your body, and you're getting it out. And that is so important. And I honestly feel like that's the first step, because it is. And along the same lines as moving that memory through this water through our body. Now we are like 70-80% water. So moving that water through our body is so important. So along the same lines is exercising and sweating it out. Now, just like I was saying with the crying, it's moving that memory out of your body, moving whoever or whatever out of your body. And it's very important. Besides taking care of yourself and being healthy and staying active, it also the fact that you're moving that memory out of your body. Have you ever thought why you feel better after a sweat session? Why do you feel better after you've exercised and just sweated it out? We all know about sweating it out. We all know about sweating it out, but why is it that we feel better? It's because you're moving that memory out of your body. So that's important. So always make sure that you're staying healthy, active, sweating it out, and moving that water and that person out of your body. And so tip number 3 I want to offer is scripting. And I know that a lot of times people talk about journaling, right? And the importance of journaling and how that can be therapeutic. I can't say that I'm the biggest fan of journaling things that you want to forget about, because I just feel like there's something about writing things down that is powerful, and I don't want to write things down that I'm trying to forget, to be honest. I mean, that's just me. So scripting, on the other hand, is about journaling about things that you do want to see in your life, like journaling in the future. So things that you want to bring into your life, things that you want to experience, that's going to get your vibrations high and get you in a better spirit, but also get you manifesting the things that you want in your life. And honestly, scripting is my saving grace. I mean, it's really like keeping your eye on the prize, because you know, when you're going through challenges and hardships, it can feel like a setback. But when you keep your eye on the prize, as they say, it just keeps your spirits high. And that is so important when you're moving through a hardship or trying to get through a challenge. And tip number 4 is to create. And especially as a woman, I think it's important that we create. I don't know, there's something about creating. I love creating content. It brings me joy. And I believe that that's something that is, especially for women, that really is just spirit moving through us, especially when you're going through a hard time or a hardship. You know, getting into those kind of things is so important to keep your spirits high, because you don't, at least I don't want to go through any setbacks, because ain't nobody got time for that, you know what I mean? But I think that's why, now I'm thinking about it and I'm saying it out loud, I think that's why women are often crafty and they do DIY things. And I'm not the most crafty person ever, but I do love creating content. I love creating makeup, obviously. I have my cosmetic line and designing and things like that. And I feel like that's why women are so good at that kind of thing. But creating is definitely going to get your spirits high and get your mind off of whatever you're going through. I know a lot of women have like craft rooms and all that kind of stuff. I never was that kind, but I mean, I was creating in a different way. So but creating is so important, because like I said, it's going to get your spirits high and your vibrations high, and that's definitely necessary when you're going through a hardship or a challenge. But that's all for this video. I just wanted to share those tips because I think it's important. We all go through transitions, we all go through challenges and hardships, and it can be tough, because especially when you get in this broken record and you're replaying this narrative in your head, it's hard. And I think that these tips definitely will help you move through that and actually start creating and manifesting things that you want to see in your life. Because when we go through transitions and we go through hardships, whether it's divorce, moving, I can't think of anything else. I mean, there's a lot of other things, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. But oftentimes, especially with women, we start replaying things in our mind over and over and over again. And I know for me, it makes me go crazy. I go crazy. And so for me, I know that these tips have definitely helped, especially like moving the water through you and out of you. That memory of whoever and whatever is definitely going to help you. I don't think people talk about that enough. Sometimes we talk about tips that suppress instead of feel, and feeling is important, okay? Feeling it and moving it through you is important, because that's going to help you with the healing process of whatever you're going through. So I don't want to say anything about, you know, forget about stuff and it's going to help you forget about it. No, you need to feel it. You need to feel it in order to heal and actually move past it. I know that I have handled things certain ways in the past where I have suppressed and did not feel, did not go there because I didn't want to go there. And it just prolonged the process. Instead of it just like, okay, I'm going to feel these emotions. I'm going to go through this healing. What is this telling me right now? Why am I feeling this way? I'm going to feel this feeling. And guess what? Girlfriend going to move on. We're going to move on from this. And know that you are highly favored and blessed. You are highly favored and blessed. You will get through whatever it is you're going through. Trust me, girlfriend. It might not seem like it right now. I'm telling you, when you're looking back, it was like, you know? But anyways, you guys, that is all for this video. And I forgot to introduce myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality or experience. I'm also the CEO of the Censored Apparel brand, and we are a apparel brand, obviously, where we believe in being bold, being loud, and being confident. So I like to do videos on business, life, and everything in between. So if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace. so hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.